Good evening, everyone. My name is Tumela Nkwa, and I think I have the talent to go to Hollywood. So please do vote for me if you love me, so that I can be able to go to Hollywood from Botswana. So please vote for me at www.gemvote.com. Vote for me. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, good evening, and it's officially on your screen, Gemstones, and thank you for that. With me, Tumelo, and we are still at the Cresta President Hotel. We'll be having our auditions for today, and today's show is going to be one of the sensational and best shows that you will ever forget, because we have the sensational performance from very young, talented boys and girls from different categories. Could it be modeling, acting, singing, dancing, and presenting? These boys and girls compare themselves with international celebrities. I'm talking the likes of Jay-Z, Tyra Banks, Naomi Campbell. The list goes on and on and on, plus the legendary Beyonce. Talking of Beyonce, the next performer, she'll be singing a track titled I Miss You from Beyonce's new album. So enjoy the performance.